Step 1. First, choose a suitable security camera app for your old smartphone. AlfredCamera and Manything are popular choices. Step 2. Download and install the chosen security camera application on both your old and current smartphones. Step 3. Open the app on both phones and select the camera option on your old phone and viewer on your current phone. Step 4. Follow the app's instructions to link both devices, typically through creating an account or scanning a QR code. Step 5. Place your old smartphone in a strategic location where you want to monitor activity. Consider the viewing angle. Step 6. Secure the phone in place using a tripod, adhesive mount, or other stable support for optimal video capture. Step 7. Connect your old smartphone to a power source so it doesn't run out of battery during surveillance. Step 8. Adjust camera settings within the app, like motion detection sensitivity, video resolution, and notification preferences. Step 9. Use your current smartphone to remotely view the live feed from your old phone's camera anytime, anywhere. Step 10. Test the system and adjust placement or settings as needed to optimize performance and coverage of the monitoring area.